Next year's Republic Day will be celebrated on the redeveloped Rajpath under the government's ambitious Central Vista Development Plan. Hi, I am Neha Nagpal. Welcome to Property Matters. Also known as Central Vista Avenue, under Central Vista Redevelopment Project, the work on new Rajpath will begin in February 2021.
Insofar as Central Vista Avenue is concerned, we can't start the work till this year's Republic Day parade is over, and we have to complete it before next year's Republic Day parade.
Work will commence on 1st of February, and our target will be to finish it by October, November, so that the next year's 22, that is the year Honorable Minister said it is the 75th year of Indian independence, 22 Republic Day parade is on the new Vista.
The Central Vista Avenue redevelopment work will be done in a phased manner so that some parts of Rajpath are available for visitors. The redevelopment of new Rajpath will include the development of underpasses, underground amenities blocks, large-scale stonework as well as horticulture work. The redevelopment project of the Central Vista Avenue has been given to Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Limited, who has emerged as the lowest bidder, quoting approximately Rs 478 crore as per Central Public Works Department. Central Vista Avenue is just one part of Central Vista redevelopment project. So why does the government want to revamp it? What all does it include? Let's check out. The Central Vista is a grand redevelopment project for building what will be the power corridor of India. It includes the development of a new triangular parliament building along with the common central secretariat, new residence of the Prime Minister as well as the PMO, a new Vice President enclave, redevelopment of the 3-kilometer long Rajpath from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate in the national capital.
India celebrates the 75th year of our independence. The celebrations on October 22 will be in the new Parliament building. So that is the timeline for that. We are spending currently something like 1,000 crores per year, not hundreds of crores as is being speculated. 1,000 crore on rentals. Government is the landowner, and the landowner is paying rent for housing its own people. In fact, the overall cost of the Central Vista project can even be recovered from the amount of expenditure we are incurring.
While the work of redevelopment of Rajpath will start next month, the work on building new parliament has commenced soon after Makar Sankranti by Tata Projects.
The Central Vista is the overall project. Within that, there are several individual segments, and we are going about this very systematically. The first segment is for which a tender has been awarded, is the work relating to the construction of the new Parliament complex.
The Heritage Conservation Committee on January 11 gave its approval for the construction of the new Parliament building days after the Supreme Court asked the government to seek its nod. According to the government, the existing buildings in Central Vista are very old and are not earthquake resistant. At present, 53 ministries' offices are housed in number of buildings.
The current building was constructed 93 years ago. As all independent countries, you need a new home for your legislature. So I think it's about time. And this demand for a new parliament building has been around for a very long time. There's no one date for the completion of the overall. I mean, the whole project, I personally believe, I think should be completed by 5 to 6 years, by 2025. The emphasis is on being able to do this in the most environmentally friendly manner by observing the highest standards of environmental protection, and also by minimizing the dislocation. Some people will have to move to temporary accommodation so that the hutments and others are removed and buildings can be constructed there. But most people working in government offices will do just one shift from where they are presently to their new shift.
The minister did not divulge the total cost of the project, but he said in the next few days they will have the website that will have all the details of the project.
In the next few days, have a website which will have all the details of the project. I don't know what the overall cost is going to be. The cost will be absorbed by each of the ministries in their own budgets, and it is being done with very strict scrutiny. And in fact, the overall award of the tenders, the pricing is much below what was the original estimation.
Professionals in the city have been protesting that not enough public consultation has taken place, but Ministry has countered these allegations.
There are provisions for consultations. Consultations have been held. We will put in the public domain all the consultations we've already had.
The direction from the top that we must come to anything only after due consultation. The public should be duly consulted so that they feel owner of the project.
With the Supreme Court refused to intervene, the work on the Grand Central Vista project has commenced. Even as professionals protest, the government promises to build a masterpiece that meets the international standards. Some part of it is expected to be open to the public. We will, however, have to wait for the government's website to be up to figure out how much taxpayers' money is being used to fulfill Prime Minister's vision. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can write to me on my Twitter. My Twitter handle is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video as well. With cameraman Nitin Rajput, this is Neha Nagpal signing off. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.